game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome to Phuket, the Pearl of the Andaman. Phuket is the largest island in Thailand and one of the most beautiful and vibrant destinations in Southeast Asia. Phuket is a tropical paradise that offers a perfect blend of stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and thrilling adventures. What makes Phuket so unique? First off, it's home to some of the world's most gorgeous beaches, with crystal clear waters and soft sandy shores. But Phuket is more than just beaches. It's an island with a deep and fascinating history, evident in its impressive temples and historic sites. For food lovers, the local markets and street food are a delight for your taste buds. And let's not forget the nightlife. From lively bars and clubs on Bangla Road to the vibrant night markets in Phuket town, there's always something exciting happening after the sun sets in Phuket. In this 5-day guide to Phuket, we're going to explore the best that Phuket has to offer. So whether you're planning your first trip or looking for new adventures on a return visit, stick around because we've got a fantastic itinerary lined up just for you. And as always, keep watching till the end as we reveal a little-known secret about Phuket at the end of this video. But first, let's talk about how to get here. Phuket International Airport, HKT, is the main gateway to the island and one of the busiest airports in Thailand. It's well connected with direct flights from many major cities around the world, making it easy to reach no matter where you're coming from. The airport is located in the north of the island, and getting to your hotel is a breeze with plenty of transportation options available. You can choose from taxis, private transfers, or even shared minibuses. Traveling around Phuket is also convenient. The island has a good network of roads, and you can easily rent a car or a scooter to explore at your own pace. If you prefer not to drive, there are plenty of local taxis and tuk-tuks ready to take you to your next adventure. Next, let's take a quick look at where to stay in Phuket. Each area has its own unique charm and caters to different types of travelers. So whether you're looking for lively nightlife, family-friendly resorts, or a peaceful retreat, you'll find various options to suit your preferences. Patong Beach is the most famous area in Phuket, known for its bustling nightlife, numerous bars, and vibrant street markets. It's ideal if you want to be close to the action, with plenty of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Hotels range from budget to luxury, with beachfront resorts and lively hotels offering easy access to Patong's bustling attractions. Kata Beach is a great alternative to the busier Patong. It's quieter, with a more laid-back vibe, making it perfect for families or couples. The beach is beautiful and less crowded, and there are plenty of family-friendly activities and dining options. Karen Beach is another excellent choice if you want to balance relaxation and activity. It's less crowded than Patong, but still offers a variety of restaurants, shops, and activities. The beach is long and wide, providing plenty of space for lounging and water sports. And now, it's time to dive into the best way to spend 5 days in Phuket. We've put this guide together with a particular focus on each part of your day, morning, afternoon, and evening, so that you can enjoy every moment of your adventure. Start your trip with a relaxing morning at Patong Beach. This is the most famous beach in Phuket, perfect for soaking up the sun and refreshingly swimming in the turquoise waters. Stroll along the soft sandy shore, and if you're feeling adventurous, try out some water sports like jet skiing or parasailing. There are plenty of beachfront vendors who rent equipments. In the afternoon, head to Banza An Fresh Market, just a short walk from Patong Beach. Here you'll find an array of authentic Thai street food. Try the pad Thai, som tum, papaya salad, and fresh seafood like grilled prawns and fish. Make sure to sample a variety of dishes to get a true taste of Thai flavors. For dessert, indulge in some mango sticky rice or Thai pancakes. Don't forget to cool down with a refreshing coconut or a tropical fruit shake. As the sun sets, head to Bangla Road. This lively street is the heart of Phuket's nightlife, with bars, clubs, and live music. Start with a drink at one of the many open-air bars and enjoy people watching as the street comes alive. For dinner, try a seafood restaurant along the road where you can pick your fresh catch of the day. After dinner, explore the various nightclubs and music venues. For a unique experience, catch a cabaret show at the famous Simon Cabaret. It's the perfect way to kick off your first night in Phuket. Day 2 is all about adventure. In the morning, book a boat trip to the Phi Phi Islands. These islands are renowned for their stunning natural beauty. Your tour will likely include stops at Maya Bay, where the beach was filmed, and Pilea Lagoon, a turquoise paradise surrounded by towering cliffs. Snorkeling here is a must. The underwater life is vibrant and diverse. You can also explore Viking Cave and see the swifts' nests that are harvested for bird's nest soup. After a morning of adventure, relax on the beautiful beaches of Phi Phi Dawn in the afternoon. Find a beachfront restaurant and enjoy a leisurely lunch. Order some grilled seafood, a refreshing salad, and perhaps a coconut to drink. Take this time to soak in the views and unwind. If you're up for more exploration, hike up to the Phi Phi viewpoint for a panoramic view of the island. It's a bit of a climb, but the vista is worth it. Return to Phuket in the late afternoon and head to Promthep Cape for a spectacular sunset. This viewpoint offers one of the best sunset views on the island. Arrive early to find a good spot, and bring your camera to capture the stunning scenery as the sun dips below the horizon. Nearby, you'll find a small market to buy snacks and souvenirs. After the sunset, consider dining at one of the nearby restaurants with a view of the sea. Start your third day with a visit to the Big Buddha, one of Phuket's most iconic landmarks. The massive statue stands at 45 meters tall and offers panoramic views of the island. The drive up the Knackered Hills is scenic, and once you arrive, you can explore the surrounding area. There are informational signs about the construction of the Big Buddha and the importance of Buddhism in Thailand. Spend some time meditating in this peaceful environment. Next, in the afternoon, head to Wat Chalong, the largest and most important temple in Phuket. This beautiful temple complex consists of several buildings and gardens. Learn about Thai culture and religion while exploring the ornate structures. Inside the main temple, you can see statues of revered monks and pay your respects. Don't miss the Grand Pagoda, which houses a splinter of bone said to be from Buddha himself. The pagoda is adorned with stunning murals depicting the life of Buddha. After a day of sightseeing, unwind with a traditional Thai massage at one of Phuket's many spas. Choose a reputable spa and indulge in a full-body massage that combines acupressure, yoga, and deep tissue techniques. This ancient practice will leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. You can also opt for additional treatments like herbal compresses, facials, or aromatherapy. Finish your spa experience with a cup of herbal tea and some quiet time in the relaxation area. On your fourth day, if you're a fan of water sports, head to Kata Beach in the morning for some surfing. The waves here are perfect for both beginners and experienced surfers. You can rent a board and even take a lesson if you're new to surfing. The beach is less crowded in the morning, making it an ideal time to catch some waves. After your surf session, relax on the beach and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere of Kata Beach. In the afternoon, grab a quick lunch at one of the beachside cafes or restaurants. Try some Thai specialities like Tom Yum Goong, spicy shrimp soup, or Masa Man curry. After lunch, get your adrenaline pumping with an ATV tour through Phuket's lush jungles and off-road trails. You'll drive through rubber plantations, forests, and uphills with stunning island views. It's a thrilling way to see Phuket's natural beauty from a different perspective. In the evening, visit the Phuket Town Night Market, also known as Naka Market. This bustling market is a great place to sample more delicious street food, shop for souvenirs, and enjoy live entertainment. You'll find everything from clothing and accessories to handmade crafts and trinkets. Try some local treats like roti, Thai pancakes, grilled meat skewers, and exotic fruits. The vibrant atmosphere and friendly vendors make it a fun and memorable experience. On your final day, in the morning, take a tour to James Bond Island, located in Phang Nga Bay. Famous from the movie The Man with the Golden Gun, this island features stunning limestone cliffs and clear waters. Most tours include a visit to Koh Tapu, the iconic needle-shaped rock, and a guided sea canoe tour through hidden caves and lagoons. You'll also visit Koh Phi Phi, a fishing village built on stilts over the water, where you can learn about the local way of life. In the afternoon, continue your adventure by exploring more of Phang Nga Bay, kayak through the bay's unique rock formations and caves, where you might encounter wildlife such as monkeys and birds. Visit the famous limestone karst islands that rise dramatically from the water. Some tours offer opportunities for swimming and snorkeling in the bay's pristine waters. The tranquil environment and breathtaking scenery make for a perfect afternoon of exploration. End your trip with a farewell dinner at a beachfront restaurant. Choose a place with a view of the sea and enjoy a delicious meal while reminiscing about your amazing 5 days in Phuket. Try some local specialities like green curry, panang curry, or fresh seafood platters. Pair your meal with a tropical cocktail or a glass of Thai beer. As you dine, enjoy the sound of the waves and the warm, tropical breeze. It's the perfect way to say farewell to Phuket. Little known secret. For all our vegetarian travelers, you might be keen to know that our little known secret about Phuket is that it's home to the unique and vibrant Phuket Vegetarian Festival. Held annually in late September or early October, this 9-day event is one of Phuket's most fascinating cultural celebrations. The festival is rooted in Chinese Taoist traditions and is dedicated to the 9 emperor gods. During this time, locals observe a strict vegetarian or vegan diet to purify their bodies and minds. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more guides. Farewell for now.